Morning, my condoritos! Haha, I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we are here to make a very nice video for the ARRMA Senton. This video is going to have, I think, 2 parts, maybe 3, maybe 1, I don't know. In every case, just stay and watch. But right now, we're gonna make a test for the ARRMA Senton, jumping off my homemade ramp, which has been working fine for me. So let's see how that goes. We have some sort of a bumps here, a little mountains, thick grass. I think it's going to be on top of the jumping. It's gonna be a really cool test. So stay, watch, like, subscribe, ring the bell. See you soon, my condoritos. I have it on 75%, guys. Let's see. I was born for the track. I love these RC cars. They keep pulling me back. My hobby, my passion, my escape and my drive. It's not only a hobby, it's the way I stay alive. Gather your family and run until the engines ignite. Let the sound of the motors turn the day into life. If I could go back in time and be a kid, more RC cars, and that's my dad for more. Good. Good. That's the best way to learn. Building value from the ground. Every upgrade, every fix, every scratch, every fall teaches you to appreciate the journey most of all. Every time I run now, the excitement hits me hard. On the track, on the street, on the grass, in the yard. Even water puddles splash the joy into my life. RC cars for life, this passion cuts like a knife. I was born for the track. I love these RC cars, they keep pulling me back. My hobby, my passion, my escape and my drive. It's not only a hobby, it's the way I stay alive. Gather your family and run them, feel the engines ignite. Let the sound of the motors run the day in the life. Time and be a kid. It's all good, guys. It's all good. That's the best way to learn, building value from the ground. Every upgrade, every fix, every scratch, every fall teaches you to appreciate the journey most of all. Every time I run, it hits me hard on the track, on the street, on the grass, in the yard. One more time. My hobby, my passion, mi terapia, mi momento. Gather your family and sin duda lo repetiría. Vamos a hacer resecar para recuerdo, alegría. No importa. My escape and my drive, it's not only the way I stay alive. Running through the engines ignite. Let the sound of the motors turn the day into light. Alright guys, after running it for a while, I can still put my finger there.
It's quite hot, I'm not gonna lie, but it's running fine. I'm gonna let it cool like 5 minutes.
Like a knife. I love these RC cars, they keep pulling me back. My hobby, escaping my life. It's not only a hobby, it's the way I stay alive. Gather your family and run them, feel the engines ignite. Let the sound of the motors turn the day into light. If I could be a kid once more, I run more RC cars, and that's my dad for more. It doesn't matter if you start with the cheapest car around. That's the best way to learn, building value from the ground. Cuts like a knife. Ese cars for life. Esto corre por mis venas. A los días me levantan las penas. My hobby, my passion, mi terapia, mi momento. Y not only a hobby, en mi lifestyle, en mi aliento. Pasarme la diversión. Ni me fui y regrese con cada aceleración. Si pudiera volver atrás, sin duda lo repetiría. Más se resecar con mi papá, más recuerdo, más alegría. Así se aprende el camino, así se forma el aparato, así se gana. Mi corazón se activa. Y la emoción siempre es viva. En la grama, en el agua, donde sea que yo lo tire, él se cae sola. Si pudiera volver atrás. RC cars for life. I was born for the truth. These RC cars. I escaping my dreams. That's my dad for more. It doesn't matter if you start with the appreciate the journey most of all. Every time I run down, the excitement hits me hard. On the track, on the street, on the grass, in the yard. Even when it's this passion cuts like a knife. RC cars for life. I was born for the track. I love these RC cars. They keep pulling me back. My hobby, my passion, my escape and my drive. It's not only a hobby, it's the way I stay alive. Gather your family and run them. Feel the energy. Sound of the motors turn the day into light. Once more, I run more RC cars, and that's my dad for more. It doesn't matter if you start with the cheapest car. It's the best way to learn.
Onto the cloth. Then, gently wipe the glass in a circular motion.
Every time I run and the excitement hits me hard. On the track, on the street, on the grass, in the yard. Even water puddles bring joy into my life. RC cars for life, this passion cuts like a knife. RC cars for life. Esto corre por mis venas. These RC cars me levantan. My passion, mi terapia, mi momento. Y not only a hobby, en mi lifestyle, en mi aliento. respira. Ey, ese car's for life. Esto corre por mis venas. These RC cars me levantan las penas. My hobby, my passion. Mi terapia en mi momento. It's not only a hobby, es mi lifestyle, es mi aliento. Yeah, gather your family and random que se aquí la diversión. Que el niño que regresa. Thanks for watching through to the very end. I truly appreciate the time you spent. You stay all the way, that means a lot to me. From the bottom of my heart, I'm glad you're here with me. I appreciate your time. RC cars for life. I truly appreciate every minute you gave. Thanks for watching, my friend. See you on the next one. I love these RC cars. The speed that turns the race. Till next time, take care and keep that fire in your place.